Whenever danger strikes, a honeybee that sticks together has an unstable streak. Do the same thing to resist the invasion of natural enemies. Over millions of years, and this particular skill continues to this day. The Asian bumblebee is one of the largest wasps in the world. They're 5 centimeters long and a flavored carnivore. From the appearance, bumblebee is like a well-equipped warrior. His tail needle is 6 millimeters long. The giant double crocodile is as sharp as scissors. Japanese bees, only a quarter the size of bumblebees, appear very weak in front of him. A single bumblebee can kill 40 bees in 1 minute. But bees are not his prey. The bee larvae hiding inside the tree trunk are his real targets. But there are 20,000 industrious males inside the hive. Publications that want to steal the larvae have to take down the hive. It seems impossible with a single bumblebee. Bumblebee was not a lone ranger. At this point, his body starts emitting a special chemical signal that marks the location of the hive. When bumblebees out looking for food receive this signal, that means their search mission is over. Bumblebees can fly more than 90 kilometers in a day. Within a few hours, a lethal air-dwelling force has assembled. The killing began. Soon the outer protective net was broken. And then there's the honeycomb inside the trunk. Life and death. The bees have been forced to use a last resort to save their lives, setting off with a chemical alarm. Hundreds of bees began to swarm. Kill the bumblebee to death. Each bee starts to continuously retract the aircraft. Every time it expands and contracts, it generates a faint heat. But together, it's a terrifying force under the thermal camera. We can see that medium-term temperatures are increasing. This glowing seal is actually a sophisticated weapon. It can accurately control the temperature at 47 degrees Celsius. Because if you seal it once at an altitude, you will die. But this temperature is just right to heat the bumblebee to death. There is only one difference between life and death. Although both lose. But together, the bees manage to defend their home, so that the swarm can continue to survive.